guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adia2 here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these Nubian kinky twist, like hybrid sort of things I have here. So before I start, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. You won't regret it. So as I said before, today's video is how I achieve these twists. So I basically used leftover hair essentially. So I used one full bundle and half of one bundle of this hair. So I have a video on only using this hair, but it's the Afro Kinky bulk hair in colour 1, which is odd for me, but that's all I had at the time. And then I also used some leftover hair, which I don't have the packet for, but it was a 1B33 kind of mix, and it was the Nubi Nubi hair by Caddy. So I have a video for the Nubi Nubi hair and I have a video for this kinky twist hair, so I'll put them up in the cards whatever side is on, so you guys can see my hair with my head with a full pack of those hairs. But in this video I mixed them together, so sometimes I mix the strands together where you can see the blend of colours, but you can't really tell the difference. The only noticeable difference for me was the length, but I stretched it so that they could all be as long as each other. I forgot to mention I used one whole bundle of the Nubian twist hair. So basically I've used 2.5 bundles all together, and they're pretty much the same size. So if you wanted to know, I split the bundles into 3 or 4 pieces and then I separated them and staggered them to make the hair longer, which you will see in the video. So without further ado, without all of this rambling, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch this video. I'm not talking for it because it's just me twisting. I just wanted you to see what would happen when I mix more hair, because I seem to like mixing hair, and it's if you have leftovers of this and this, why not just try and mix it together and see what happens. And the last 2 times I've done it, it hasn't been bad. So yeah.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine westerner. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me, pay Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Hands in the air. Hey. Let me see your hands in the air. Hey. 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 Rick is on the beat.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Hands in the air. Hey. Let me see your hands in the air. Hey. 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 Rick is on the beat.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Bakachuku Makagini, what's up for me, pay, Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way.
Okay, so as you can see, it is the next day and my hair is now done. I will say it took me about 6 to 7 hours of actual like twisting. Yeah, I think 6 to 7 hours of actual twisting, which is not too bad. The parts are quite small, and getting the box parts was added a bit of time to it. The ones at the back, I haven't seen them. They're probably not straight because at points I just used my fingers to separate the back because it was just frustrating me. And I didn't use any gel at the roots when I was braiding, but the roots seem to be fine. I used gel here on my edges, but they're going to shrivel up anyways and I don't care. But other than that, I didn't really use any gel. I just used some cream, which I showed in the video, and of course I put some mousse on my hair as I went before I went to bed, and banded it on both sides so that it could be stretched and more down, because I don't like poofy hair. But if you like poofy hair, then just leave it as it is. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what your favourite all-time twist style is, or if there's any twist styles you would like for me to try, because twists are by far my favourite hairstyle to do. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man.